Hi guys, here we have a movement called the plank bird dog. So to realize this exercise, which is like a lot of core and a lot of balance at the same time, you will start in the plank position. So plank position here, okay, having your hands right under the shoulders, okay, and here from this position. When you're here in the plank, as you can see, I'm not here. Okay, my butt is up and I'm doing this retroversion here on my pelvis. I'm not here, okay, sticking up with butt, but I'm turning it in the other direction. After, from this position, you will want with this hand to go up here with your thumb pointing up, and the opposite leg will go up in the same time. Okay, so one more time, here, lifting, and coming back down. And after switching and coming back down. You really want to work opposite left hand arm, left hand arm. And now you know how to do the plank bird dog.